King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king king got the hammer king got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So you guys, I know it's been a long time, well not really a long time, but it's been like a few weeks, like 2 weeks, which is pretty long. But you guys, I have been enjoying my 24th birthday, which was on June 29th. Today it is Friday, so it's been 2 days since my birthday, but before that I just been living in the moment, having fun, enjoying my birthday. And you can go to my personal channel, Life with Lex, to see how lit my birthday really was. But I want to record this video today, this YouTube video for you guys today, and show you guys something that I got for my birthday from Amazon that I feel like would be extremely helpful to anybody who wants more professional product pictures or just wants to upgrade the way your Instagram feed looks. I feel like these items that I got from Amazon will really help take your product pictures to the next level. So these were birthday gifts. People ask me what I wanted for my birthday. Obviously things for my business, because I love my business and I always need something for my business. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got. So let's just get straight into the video. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Sexy Lexy Inc. Okay, now let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. This is what I asked for, and this is what I know is gonna help upgrade my product pictures. And I'm so excited to use this because wait, oh okay. So I got these cute little cubes for the product pictures, and you probably like, girl, why do you need that? But it's gonna make sense in a second. I have pink ones, and I'm gonna be sure that I link everything in the description, you guys. But these are like little product picture, like props, basically, just make your product stand out. I have all types of shapes, different sizes. Let me show y'all. Okay, so boom, there's that. But let me show you what that's for. I also have them in the mirrors, so I have them like that too. But this is what I want you guys, what I think will help you guys, and what I know is gonna make my pictures look perfect. So I got a 25 centimeter foldable LED ring light studio box, and this is how it looks. This is the most important item that I was talking about if you want to upgrade your product pictures. Get into it. So it's like a mini ring light box, you guys, and it already has the light right here. You put the product in there, you don't have to worry about like the background, because as you guys can see right here, that's normally what I use for my product pictures, but I just got lip gloss starters right there. But I normally use this white box for my product pictures and this ring light. So now this is like portable. I can take it wherever, and it's small. It's not taking up a big portion of my office. So I'm really excited to see how this works. So let's go ahead and bust this open. It'll be my first time using it. This is how it looks when I open it up. And this video is not sponsored, you guys. This is just something that I know will really be helpful for all of us. Okay. Ooh. And you got a little bag, you can take it with you everywhere. And it comes with multiple backdrop colors, y'all. Look at this pink. Pink is my favorite color, pink. We got pink. We got, and it's two-sided. So pink and red, and then gray and peach, orange and yellow, brown and green. That green is beautiful. White and black and purple and blue. So yeah, this is just really giving the business girls what needs to be gave. And not on period. Ooh, so it's already like built. Look. Okay. That was so easy. So wow. Ooh, you can lift this up. I can fit my arm in there. This is cool. Okay, so how do I get it to like stay standing up and not fold? So yeah, y'all, it comes with the main studio box, which is this, the 12 color backdrops, the soft cloth, which is this, and the carry bag, which is this. Okay. Installation steps is only 4 steps, so this should be really easy. So it says expand the box, boom. Expand the box, open the support board. Oh, is that this? Ah, so, okay, boom. This is all I had to do, y'all, look. Open this part. Period. OMG, I love this. I'm putting y'all on. This summer, our product pictures are gonna be 5-5, okay? Boom. Put in the background paper. So let's do the pink one, obviously. Pink paper is in. This is so cute and so lit. Okay, assembly complete. So it's very easy to put together. I love this. Like, that white thing's about to get trashed because this is so easy. Now let me see the little plug. Okay, so it look like if you have the iPhone box, that should work. So let me try that. Okay, so I have my iPhone box right here. Let's see if this works. And it does. Let's plug it up. Hold on, it looks a little messy. Oh, this is nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
This is so profesh. Are you kidding me? Are y'all seeing this? This is so professional. Amazon, y'all need to sponsor me because, oh my gosh, the little light is right there and then your product goes here. Oh my gosh. This is everything. I'm ready to test it out and do a little setup and take a little picture, edit it, and see how it comes out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. as you can see, this portable studio box is such a great investment for businesses like me, like you, like my beautiful subscribers who want to make sure that their product pages look professional. I don't think that it cost that much. It was definitely under, I think it was under $40, maybe 20s. I forgot. I don't even know how much it cost because I wanted it for my birthday and I forgot. I didn't buy it, but I definitely think that it is such a great investment for your business if you want to make sure that you have a very professional Instagram feed, very professional product pictures on your website. I highly suggest that you get one for yourself. I will have it linked in the description so you can easily access it. Everything that I always use in my videos, 9 times out of 10 is linked in my description for you guys to easily find, because I want us all to be successful and succeed. I say that in all of my videos. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry for not posting for like 2 weeks. Hopefully I'll get back inside of the groove, but I need you guys to comment some video ideas that you would like to see so I can keep posting. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles!
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring.